This animal doesn't die from old age. Time passes, cells divide, growth never stops. There is no genetic clock counting down, no programmed shutdown, no built-in expiration. By every biological definition, this animal should keep going. For a long time, it looks immortal, but immortality isn't what kills it, because this animal doesn't fail internally. It fails mechanically. Every time it grows, mass increases faster than strength. Weight scales up, surface area spreads, force requirements rise, the body gets heavier, the shell gets thicker, harder, more rigid. Growth doesn't make the system stronger, it tightens it. To stay alive, this animal must molt. It must tear itself out of its own shell and rebuild a new one around a larger body. Early on, the math works. The shell splits, the body escapes, a new structure forms. But every successful molt changes the equations. More mass to move, more shell to break, more force required in the same amount of time. The shell doesn't heal, it doesn't stretch, it doesn't adapt, it accumulates, layer by layer, thickness, stress, constraint. The animal keeps growing, but the margin for escape collapses. Molting slows, errors become fatal, timing becomes unforgiving. Eventually, the system reaches a size where escape is no longer physically possible. Not because the muscles are weak, because geometry has shifted. The shell becomes a prison built from past success. There is no injury, no infection, no disease. Nothing breaks inside the animal. Motion simply becomes forbidden. The body cannot exit the structure it created. So this animal doesn't age like we do. It doesn't decay. It doesn't wear out. It grows until physics denies the next step, which means aging isn't time passing. It's constraints accumulating. And survival doesn't end when biology fails. It ends when geometry no longer allows motion.